I'm gonna get some hate over this here, but so I go outside today, and I noticed that one of my trucks has got a big dent in it, and the neighbor across the street apparently within the last couple days backed into my truck and failed to tell me about it. That's fun stuff, right? I don't mind that he did it. It's an accident. It's not that big of a deal, but I think I would bring it to his attention, right? So I go over to him. I say, hey, man, you guys, somebody backed in my truck. You guys aware of that? And the guy's like, oh, yeah, I did that. Well, why didn't you fucking tell me, man? It's kind of just, he's an older guy. I feel kind of bad for him, but whatever. He still should have came over, right? So I'm going to show you the damage to the truck. All right. It's not a great truck anyway, but it's mine, you know. It's one of my vehicles. So here's the damage. So you can see it right there. All right. Okay. There's that. So the guy goes inside and he's like, I got something for you. He's like, what do you want for Christmas? What kind of food do you like? I'll bake you whatever you want. Well, I don't like taking stuff from people's. I don't know what's inside their house. I don't want you fucking baked. You have cats and shit on your fucking counter. No, I don't want anything. So he goes, I got something for you. So he brings this out and gives me this fruit loaf or something, fruit bread loaf. So let's check it out. Let's see how are we gonna fit this here? Does that work? How does that look? Does that look like a good repair? Oh yeah, if we just put this right here, that's a good repair, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I see it now. That's a pretty good repair.